Good morning, students. Hope you have done all the work in this chapter, Alice in Wonderland. And now, today, I am going to tell you about this exercises, language structure, vocabulary exercises of this chapter, language structure. Now, here, what we need to do in this, we are going to do what? Formation of adjectives from nouns. Okay, so this is what that we are going to do today. We will form adjectives from the given nouns. Here you can see the examples are given. You can see there is a noun intelligence and the pertaining adjective is intelligent. And in the same way you can see elegance, and elegance is the pertaining adjective is elegant. So in this way we can formulate adjectives from the given nouns. Here you must notice that if a noun ends in ce, then we remove this ce and then we do what? We change it into t and it becomes adjective, like intelligence ce and intelligence ce, and this ce becomes t and we will get the adjective intelligent. So hope you understand. In the same way, elegance ce and this ce is removed and we can change it into t, elegant, it becomes adjectives. So hope it is clear to you. Now let's find out what is given in the exercise A. Exercise A, you have got the nouns and you need to convert into adjective, like abundance. In the same way you can see we are getting this ending ce, then it will become abundant, dan, and t. We remove this ce in the end of the word and it will become our adjective. Hope you understand. So in the same way, what will be the adjective of significance? Definitely significant. We will remove this ce and it turn into t, significant. In the same way, importance, important, and brilliance, brilliant, and then absence, absent. So I hope you can do this. So now you will solve this exercise and then you will tell. Now we move to the next exercise, people and profession. Here it is saying when we add er or r simply, or sometimes or to the words, they refer to the people that involve in a specific activity or live in an area. Means if we want to get the worker, the profession, then we can add er or simply r or sometimes or. So now here we can see exercise B, how we can get the people. Someone who cleans, here we get the word clean, so we can change it into, we can add er here, so it will become cleaner, clean, and er we add, so it will become the profession. Cleaner. Cleaning is a profession, and the cleaner who do the work of cleaning becomes the cleaner. Alright. Then the next word we get what? This is someone who teaches. It will become teacher, and you see that teaches is there, so we can add only R after removing S, then it will become teacher. So I hope you can do this. Teaches become, it will become teacher. Next, someone who works somewhere. So there is someone who worker, WORK work, and ER you can add worker. And the same way, someone who digs, then it will become digger. But here you need to keep in mind that digs, and you will, if you want to do make it digger, then you need to double the last word, that is to double the DI double GER. This is to keep in mind. Okay, and why this is happening? Because you see that before G there is a vowel, DIG. So there is a vowel, so we need to double this word. Okay, so this is what digger. Next, fight will what will become fight? What will happen with this fight? Fight will become fighter. Am I right? FIGST. Yeah, fighter. Photographs, photographer. Books, someone who writes books, not books. We are not going to change books. We need to see the verb. Which is the verb? Writes is a verb, and writer will be the profession there. And then there is a word someone who plays will become player. Play, and we add ER, player. So I hope you can do this exercise and you will understand. So if you have any doubt still, then I will send you the link for the doubt session. There you can ask me if there is any doubt. Alright, so do these exercises and send it to me in my work group.